We're a sexual health service, integrated sexual health. So we look after both the sexual health and contraception of residents of Lewisham and also beyond. And traditionally, we were a walk-in service with appointments in the evening. COVID has happened and has changed how we work. So instantly, we had to move from a walk-in model to telephone. So people would call in to make an appointment. There was a day we had 170 people on the callback list because we were calling people back to just check that suitable. So the telephone, the point of entry for us via telephone has been really, really difficult. So we were actually seeing fewer patients because actually we didn't have the ability to book the patients in. We were losing out on potential bookable slots. It was quick, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was quick.
Productivity has definitely increased.
Yeah.
Patient satisfaction, being able to get has been a big.
It's a big thing. And actually, when we do ask them how the process was, they said it was so easy they weren't sure if it had worked. We're seeing patients from Tower Hamlets now.
Yeah.
I think they're about 6%. I think the other day you said Brighton. Someone from Brighton, loads from Kent, loads from the Isle of Dogs. Croydon. We're getting a lot of Croydon, Greenwich, particularly in this pandemic when other services were closed down. People who potentially had struggled finding services locally were able to find us. I think, you give value for money. In all honesty, I did some modeling work and potentially with Hero, we could double our income.
Yeah.
Bromley Healthcare, we talked to them about it. We've also spoken to our sister.
Yeah.
Our sister here, Trafalgar Clinic. I've mentioned it, as I told you, I actually mentioned it on a phone call to the other London providers. Yeah. So it was a phone call with other London providers saying that we'd gone live with an online booking system, and it was Hero. Yeah.
And we mentioned it at the meeting last week as well.
Yes, at the meeting last week, and also with Market Street in Greenwich.
Yeah.